Hi there, beautiful people. Get ready for some natural and easy English listening.
Hello, I'm Jack, and Emma is right here with me today.
Hi, everyone. So happy you are here.
Today, we are talking about English grammar.
Yes, grammar. Some people love it, some people hate it.
Which one are you, Emma?
I used to hate it. Now I think it's okay.
What changed?
I found a better way to learn it, and that's what we're talking about today.
Perfect. But first, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. I had a strange morning.
Strange. Tell me.
I was trying to explain English grammar to my friend. She's a beginner.
Oh, how did that go?
Not great. I kept saying things like, well, you just feel it.
You just feel it? That's not very helpful for a beginner.
I know. She looked at me like I said something crazy.
I can imagine.
But it's true. At some point, grammar stops being rules and starts being feelings.
I know exactly what you mean, but that point takes time to reach.
Right, and my friend is just starting. She needs something more practical.
So today, we want to talk about how to get there, how to learn grammar in a way that actually works.
Yes, not boring, not just rules on paper.
Okay, so first, how did you learn grammar?
Wait, I'm the one who should ask you. Emma asks the questions.
Sorry, old habit. Okay, Emma, ask me.
Thank you. Jack, how did you learn English grammar?
Honestly, I didn't study it much. I learned it by listening and reading.
Really? No grammar books?
I tried grammar books, but they made me more confused, not less,
Why?
because the rules were too long and too complicated. I read the rule, I understood it in my head, but then I couldn't use it.
Yes, that's the problem. You can understand a rule and still not be able to use it.
Exactly. Grammar is not just about knowing the rule, it's about feeling the rule.
And how do you get that feeling?
From lots of input, listening, reading, seeing correct English again and again.
So your brain slowly learns what sounds right.
Yes, without studying, without memorizing rules, just from seeing correct sentences many times.
That's how children learn their first language.
Right. A child doesn't study grammar. They just hear it all the time.
They hear mom, dad, friends, correct sentences every day.
Thousands and thousands of sentences before they start school.
And after a while, they understand what is correct. They feel it.
And if something is wrong, they feel that too.
That's such a nice idea, learning like a child.
It takes longer, but the result is stronger. You really understand the language.
Okay, I have a different experience too. Can I share it?
Of course.
So, I actually did study grammar rules, but only short ones, and only when I had a real question.
What do you mean, a real question?
Like, I was writing something in English, and I wasn't sure if I should say, I have seen, or I saw.
Oh, Present perfect versus simple past. That's a tricky one.
Yes, so I had a real question, a problem I needed to solve, and then I looked up the rule.
And did it help?
So much, because I had context. I understood why the rule existed. It answered my real question.
That's such a different way from studying rules first and then trying to use them.
Exactly. Study the rule when you need it, not before.
That makes sense. The brain remembers things better when they connect to a real situation.
Right. The rule connects to your problem, and you remember it.
It's like when you forget an English word at the worst moment and then you never forget it again.
Yes, exactly like that. The problem makes the memory strong.
Okay, I want to share a story, a grammar story.
Oh, yes, please.
So, when I started learning English, my teacher gave me a grammar book, big book, lots of pages.
How many pages?
Maybe 400, maybe more. It was heavy.
400 pages of grammar?
Yes, and she said, read this, learn this.
What did you do?
I started reading, page 1, page 2, page 3,
And?
and by page 20, I wanted to give up. I forgot everything I read on page 1.
Page 20? That's not very far.
No, and the worst part, the rules all looked the same to me. Long sentences, strange words.
Like reading a different language inside a book about your language.
Exactly. I understood maybe 50%, and I couldn't use any of it.
So what did you do?
I put the book down. I started watching English TV shows instead.
And did your grammar improve?
Yes, slowly, but it improved, because I was hearing correct grammar all the time.
And your brain was absorbing it without you knowing it.
Exactly. Passive learning, but very powerful.
I love that story because a lot of learners feel bad when they can't finish a grammar book.
They shouldn't. A grammar book is not the only way, maybe not even the best way for everyone.
The best way is the way that works for you.
Yes, some people like rules, some people like listening, some people like both.
And that's okay. There's no one right answer.
By the way, if you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe. We post new episodes all the time. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Okay, Emma, tell me your grammar story. An embarrassing one if you have one.
Oh, I have one. It's not super embarrassing, just a little embarrassing.
That's fine. Go on.
So, I was talking to a native English speaker. We were just chatting.
About what?
About my weekend. I said, yesterday I have eaten pizza.
Oh, present perfect instead of simple past.
Yes, the classic mistake. She looked at me a little funny.
Did she correct you?
No, native speakers usually don't correct you. They just continue talking.
That's actually nice of them. They care more about the conversation than your grammar.
Yes, and I think that's a good lesson for learners too.
Care more about communication, less about perfect grammar.
Exactly. If the other person understands you, that's a win.
Grammar can always get better over time.
And actually, even making a grammar mistake can teach you something.
That feeling that something sounds wrong is actually a sign of progress.
Really? A sign of progress?
Yes, if you can feel that something is wrong, your English is getting better.
I never thought about it that way.
At the very beginning, you don't feel anything. You just say words.
Right. You don't even know when you make a mistake.
But later, you start to feel what sounds right and what sounds wrong.
And you feel it before you even think about it.
Exactly. And that feeling is grammar. Real, working grammar in your body, not just in your head.
That's beautiful, actually.
Thank you. I'm very poetic today.
You really are. Okay, so grammar doesn't have to come from books.
It can come from listening, from reading, from real conversations.
And from making mistakes and feeling them.
Yes, every mistake teaches you something.
And our bonus tip for today, when you hear or read something in English, don't just understand the meaning.
Also notice how the sentence is built. What comes first? What comes after?
Like, I went to the store yesterday. Subject, verb, place, time.
Just notice the pattern. Don't think about rules. Just notice.
You can even copy the pattern. Try to make your own sentence the same way.
Yes, I walked to school yesterday. Same pattern, different words.
And over time, those patterns go into your brain automatically.
And one day, you just know how to build a sentence without thinking about it.
It feels like magic, but it's just practice.
Lots and lots of practice, but the good kind, the kind that doesn't feel like work.
That's the goal. English that comes out naturally.
Now, our word of the episode. The word is understand.
Wait, what does understand mean exactly?
To understand means to know what something means. You get the idea. It's clear to you.
For example, I understand the rule now. Or, I don't understand this sentence.
It's a very important word. You use it all the time in English.
And not just in English class, in everyday life too.
Do you understand? I don't understand. Now I understand.
Yes, simple and very useful. When you learn something new, you want to understand it, not just remember it.
Understanding is deeper. You don't just know the word, you know how it works.
Now you know the word understand, try to use it in your daily life whenever you need it. Write a sentence in the comments using the word understand. For example, I understand English better now. Or, I don't understand this grammar rule yet.
Write your own sentence. It helps your brain remember the word much longer.
Because you make the sentence yourself, it connects to your own life.
So basically, today we talked about grammar and said, don't stress about it.
Pretty much, yeah. Learn it naturally. Notice patterns. Use the language.
And when you have a real question, then look up the rule.
That's the best approach. Real questions, real answers, real learning.
And don't feel bad if you can't finish a grammar book.
Nobody finishes grammar books.
Nobody. Just go watch an English show instead.
or listen to a podcast, like this one.
Exactly. The best grammar teacher is real English used in real situations.
Okay, beautiful people. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode helped you feel better about English grammar.
If it did, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
New episodes are coming all the time. We are always working on new episodes for you.
Come back soon. We will be here.
And remember, grammar is not your enemy. It's just a tool. Use it when you need it.
You are doing great. We believe in you.
Bye-bye, beautiful people.
See you next time.